Summertime is barbecue time, and you're going to need all the best marinade sauces and toppings for your grillables this season. Here are some of my favorites. I love teriyaki as a marinade and as a protein topper. It's great with chicken, veggies, and even grilled pineapple. When you're hosting a cookout, you need barbecue sauce. I look for ones with low added sugar and around 50 calories or less per serving. There are so many options out there too. You can have it any way you like. I love it sweet and tangy. I love salsa so much, and I especially love the fruity ones over the summer. This mango one is perfect on chicken and fish. Yum. This is my all-time favorite hot sauce. By far, it can make anything taste like buffalo wings. Veggies like cauliflower and of course on chicken. To round out the list, I love this fun soy-powered soyaki from Trader Joe's. It's kind of more of a soy sauce than a teriyaki sauce, and it's great on everything. And if you're not lucky enough to have a Trader Joe's near you, make sure you have some sesame ginger dressing on hand. It's great as a marinade, a dressing, and a sauce. What are your favorite barbecue marinades and dressings? For more of my favorite food finds, plus recipes and more, subscribe to my free daily emails at hungry-girl.com.